Is talking to someone with the intention of marriage actually halal? Be honest with yourself, because most of you already know the answer. So here's actually what happens. You meet someone, you start talking, you tell yourself it's for marriage, but 6 months in, no families are involved, there's no wali, and you haven't even put a clock on it. It's just you and them. Late night conversations, emotional attachment, and a label that you put it on so your conscience doesn't keep you up at night. That's not a marriage process. That's a relationship with an Islamic sticker on it. And you know the difference, you just don't want to admit it. The Prophet ﷺ, he said, no man is alone with a woman except that the third of them is shaitan. Now obviously, a lot of people interpret that as a physical nearness. It's not just about a room. Rightly so. Like, it's not just about room. Think about any space, physical or digital, where it's just the two of you. No family, no accountability. That's the problem. Islam didn't make marriage difficult, it made it dignified. There is a way to get to know someone for marriage, but it has structure, it has a wali, it has honor. And if yours doesn't have it, then don't call it halal. Fix it or walk away. Your deen is worth more.